Well, welcome back to the course, and in this lecture we're gonna make a dialog box that deletes stuff. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go here, I'm gonna create a new dialog box, with buttons. A basic one on the bottom, very simple. And next thing that I'm gonna do, well, I have this pretty simple thing right here, and I can just use it in any way that I want. And of course, one thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create a, well, I'll show you what I'm going to create. So this is a dialog box, and a delete dialog box in specific. So we're going to have to show that, well, we are deleting this. Are you sure you want to delete it or not? So we can add we have many different ways to display stuff here. You know, you can go with text browser, and you can just do this. Like you can add a lot of stuff here. And I'm just gonna say, are you sure you want to delete this book? And well, I can do a lot of stuff here. As you can see, this gives me a lot of options. And so, sorry for that. You can insert links, you can insert images, you can do a lot of stuff here. You can change the text color, you can change the text color to any color you want. I'm not going to do that. I think black on white is really cool instead of any other. So now I have this box right here. I can show it to the user. User will understand that deleting the book will be permanent, and they will delete it if they want to delete it. And that's about it. That's the dialog box. Now, of course, these buttons, the button box buttons, they have the basic functionality: accepted, rejected, as we did discuss. And if you still don't get it, we're going to do it again. And there's nothing else to do here. So that's how you create this dialog box. We can change the name of the dialog box here to something we want to, whatever you want to name it. We can call it, well, delete dialog, because we have other dialogs as well in the application, but it doesn't really matter because you'll be renaming the variable yourself. So I'm just going to save it, and you save it wherever your program is, wherever your program folder is, because it'll be easy to access. So I'll see you in the next one, where we'll create more widgets that are important to this project. And remember that we are going to design it ourselves at the end of the day as well, but I'm just going to give you a style sheet that you can just attach it to your program. You don't have to worry about styling. This is not a CSS course, and if you want to take a CSS course, you can find a lot of courses online. So CSS is very easy as well, so it's not a big deal. So make sure that you understand the basic programming principles and how you tackle GUI problems. So I'll see you in the next one, where we'll discuss more exciting venues that we can deal with using PyQt5. So I'll see you in the next one.